So Mesabi East Environmental Education Center started as an idea just to get students to understand how their food got to the table in front of them.
We have farmers markets, we have greenhouses where our students get to come and work. It's kind of a hub of a USDA farm to school program. We use a lot of products from our area and we buy from local vendors to serve in our cafeteria to our students.
I'm here 2 hours in the morning. We kind of do more of the flowers and like the decorations. Other times we're planting. It made me like flowers more because my mom gardens and whatever, and I was always like, oh, that's not that big of a deal, but now it made me really like it.
So I like coming here because the plants are very calming and get to be with the plants and makes it positive and I guess good vibes here.
Students learn a number of skills in the program. Some students may be learning how to mix soil. They are learning how to properly water a plant. Once they master it, they feel confident then that they can grow their own garden.
Has anybody grown a pumpkin before?
Last year, ME3C's sales exceeded over $30,000. As a business, those students are not only learning customer relations, they're learning about handling cash, counting back change, how to properly price items.
I think one of the skills that students get from working with this program is kind of working with each other. We have older students working with younger students, and just them getting to work with each other and understand the responsibility of their role as a role model to these little kids.
I like when the little kids come here. That's probably my favorite part. And I want to be a teacher when I'm older, so this kind of helps a lot with being patient. We got to be leaders. The program is probably my favorite part about high school, and we have a lot of fun here.
I've heard it numerous times where they can say, it's so calm here, I can relax. And when they come back and they see something that they planted maybe a week ago and it's starting to sprout, 2 months later they have full bloom. They can see that success. The leadership abilities that these students gain takes them into their life and into their future education as well.